Hey everybody, it's Eric with Eric's Garage AZ, coming at you again from the Good Guys 10th Annual Southwest Nationals here. And we have the Smoke Burnout event coming up here in a few minutes. And I just want to give you a chance to check out some of the cars involved in this event. You in a Smoke Burnout, dude?
Yep.
Wait, man, it's cool stuff. Yeah, you're on TV, buddy. Smoke Burnout competition? Give us a thumbs up. All right, man. Tear it up, man. New rubber today, baby.
That's right.
Yeah.
Hey, you signed a waiver?
There you go. Yes, sir, I did. Yep. Do me a favor. Wave at the camera. Give us a wave. Hello. All right. A bunch of crazy. Hey! Look at us. Yeah, a bunch of crazy enthusiasts back there. All right, guys. Stay tuned for more.
We've seen both kinds of vehicles win. Scott Smith, a 1957 Chevy pickup. When you guys hear the horn, that's your cue to do your thing, do your burnout. When you hear that horn again, that's your cue to stop. See John Borcher with his horn. Last minute instructions. We're gonna
stand by for crazy ass shit here, folks. Smoke Burnout, man. And Good Guys. Woo! Get you some of that, bitches. Pretty freaking badass, wasn't it? Oh my god.
Slight little, where there's smoke, there's fire, as they say. I think we're good.
Yeah, a little bit of a fire action going on right here, man. Damn, that's pretty cool.
We good, fellas? Yeah, he's happy. He's proud. We're all having a good time. The 10th Spring Nationals. Hey, let's get it backed up.
Oh man, look at this beautiful purple Chevelle coming up here. Oh my god. Back.
Never so popular Chevelle can do.
Definitely does not look like their first rodeo as far as doing burnouts are concerned, man. But this thing's absolutely gorgeous. Look at this car.
Okay, he's up at the burnout pad. Jack Clemson from Mesa, Arizona, 1969 Chevy Chevelle.
Derek!
Keep the tires chopped up. Plenty.
Throwing down a little go juice there to get those tires slicked up a little bit. Tires are chocked right now. Getting ready to let this thing rip. Oops.
Got the rear tires wet. We're just about ready to go.
This is going to be take 2. Check it out.
We got some water.
Scene 2, take 3.
Yeah, he's kicking over to the left again. Healthy sound.
What's up, everybody? That's what a smoke burnout's supposed to be, man. Did you see that thing? Of course you did. You're watching this channel. This is some seriously cool looking shit right here, man. I mean, look at this. It's a freaking Bronco 4x4 gonna be doing a smoke burnout.
It's not gonna happen. It's not gonna happen. Not like what we just saw. It's not gonna happen. It might want to go over the.
Just about ready here to chuck the tires.
Yeah, we have a pull there. Is it gonna happen? Is this guy got some tires?
Yeah!
Close. Very, very close. Very close. Because your tires are almost at that perfect temperature to start emitting smoke. You know what? There's nothing better than the smell of fuel and burnt rubber right now. That's why we're here, folks. The good guys. Oops. This is called the no-fly zone right now.
1936 Pontiac sedan. I think our Plymouth Coupe officially left.
I don't think this is your grandpa's 1930s Plymouth sedan, by the way, or Pontiac sedan, rather.
Participating at any rate. Tom Hall from Mesa, 36 Pontiac Silver Street sedan. Something you don't see every day. Certainly something you don't see in a burnout competition. We started off good. Let's give another try.
See, that spot right here, I'm going to point at. You don't want to be there. Not right now. Nope. It's a front-wheel drive car. This is going to be a trip, man.
Is this front-wheel drive or rear-wheel drive? That is the question of the day. Okay, looks like the top of the front. Okay, we're front-wheel drive, aren't we?
Not your mama's grows together, but that was pretty cool.
So let's see what he's going to do today. The 1949 International pickup. All black, he's waving proud. He's happy. He's going to do his thing here. Give us some fun, ladies and gentlemen.
That was bad at the ball right there, man. That was so much smoke. Oh my God. Life doesn't get much better than this. I'm here to tell you, folks. Yeah, baby. Yeah. Give it up.
Heroes don't always start taking.
Okay, we're gonna start our way with the Chevelle. Once again, you guys are gonna be our judges. The louder you yell and applaud is gonna determine who wins first, second, and third. How about it for the Chevelle?
Poor guy.
Okay.
Poor guy. All right.
How about it for the big back window, black 57 full Chevy pickup? All right. How about it for the orange Bronco? Okay, come up next. How about it for the Pontiac sedan? How about it for the Mini? And last but certainly not least, how about for the International? Chevy pickup truck.
Way to go, dude. Thumbs up, man. Good job, brother.
Okay, the black Chevy pickup gets third place. The light blue Mini gets second place. Our first place winner, the International pickup. Once again, guys and gals, thank you so much for participating in the Burnout competition. We hope you guys participate in the fall.
That was so
right
cool,
here.
folks. This is Eric with Eric's Garage AZ signing off for just a moment. Actually, not signing off. This is Eric with Eric's Garage AZ. Just got them wrapping up the Burnout contest. What a freaking riot that was. What a treat it is to be here. I'm telling you, folks, you don't know what you're missing if you're not a car guy. Drive it like it's told, bitches. Peace, love, Bobby Sherman. Bye.